Sea animals. Let's dive together and discover sea animals. Starfish. Starfish or sea stars typically have a central disc and usually 5 arms. Dolphin. Dolphins are mammals. They produce a variety of sounds which sound like clicks and whistles. Whale. Whales are mammals. The blue whale is the largest known animal that has ever lived. Seahorse. Seahorses have thin skin, which stretches over multiple bony plates that are arranged in rings throughout their bodies. Crab. Most crabs have a pair of claws, 6 walking legs, and 2 swimming legs. Usually crabs walk sideways, but some crabs walk forward or backward. Swordfish. Swordfish are large fish with a flat, long, pointed bill. Their bodies are able to conserve heat to help keep them warm. Seal. Seals are marine mammals. They have a layer of fat under their skin to keep them warm in cold water. Sea turtle. There are 7 existing species of sea turtles. For each of the 7 species of sea turtles, females and males are the same size. Fish. This is a clownfish. Clownfish typically live at the bottom of shallow seas, in shallow lagoons, or in sheltered reefs. Octopus. The octopus has 8 arms, a complex nervous system, and is very intelligent. Stingray. Stingrays are related to sharks. They protect themselves with venomous spines in their tail. Jellyfish. In nature, many jellyfish are transparent and can seem nearly invisible. Jellyfish depend on currents to transport them from place to place. Shark. Sharks can detect scents very well. In fact, they can even determine the direction of a given scent. Do you remember all of the sea animals? Let's play a game to find out. Which animal is in the picture? The answer is starfish. Which of these is a marine mammal? A whale, a swordfish, a stingray, or a shark? The answer is whale. Guess the word. Dolphin. What animal is this? The answer is crab. What is your favorite sea animal? Thank you so much for watching. For more educational videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram.